Clouds increasing today ahead of a storm system. It is an impact day, though the wet weather really doesn't arrive until later tonight. But a big topic today is the amount of wind energy in the atmosphere. We could see some strong wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, a little bit higher ahead of the front and even as the storms pass through. So there will be a wind advisory in effect from 7 p.m. tonight through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We do have a risk of some strong to severe storms, especially for the southwest portion of Alabama. The good thing about this event is we get some healthy rain, 1 to 2 inches, which is exciting. This will help fade the drought, and that's what we've been hoping for. It's quiet across Alabama now, just a lot of cloud cover increasing. The storms are off to the west. You can see the lightning output, some strong storms over Arkansas, moving east over Memphis through Tennessee, and even entering Mississippi in the next few minutes. So these are going to continue to glide east throughout today and will impact our weather later this evening and into the overnight hours. The main concern with this event is the wind. We have a lot of wind energy at the surface and even higher as you go in the atmosphere, a lot of wind aloft. So some damaging wind gusts are possible again ahead of the front and even as the storms move through. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out, but this is most likely southwest Alabama where the best energy is, and even some flash flooding maybe depending on how much rain we get and how heavy these storms are when they come through. So the Storm Prediction Center has outlined a slight risk of severe weather for places like Tuscaloosa County, Pickens down to Greene, Sumter, Marengo, Hale, and that's because this is where those severe parameters align, where this is the best placement for storms to develop, and it's even worse further west in Mississippi. Doesn't mean there couldn't be some strong storms across central Alabama. It's just more likely for these areas. But we're going to stay alert, and even through tonight, I think your commute home this afternoon is just fine. Even this evening, a few showers may develop, but the really intense weather doesn't arrive until after dark. So 10 p.m. entering Alabama, continuing to push east through the midnight hour through Tuesday morning. And then even after the sun rises, I think places down to Montgomery, Alexander City, further south, and we'll have to watch for some storms tomorrow morning, at least through 10 a.m. By midday, it looks a little bit quieter. There's a lot of wind energy. I've said that a bunch, but we have a lot of just strong wind gusts that we're expecting through this afternoon and this evening. 2 p.m. this afternoon, though it may not be wet, the wind will pick up. And then in tonight, look at some of these wind gusts, 40 miles per hour or greater. And the strongest wind is really going to be in North Alabama, but continuing through tonight and even through tomorrow morning as these storms push through. So if you have any items outside, porch, I would bring them in because this is just not good for that kind of thing. After tonight, after tomorrow, the rain chance is slim. So looking ahead to Thanksgiving, it looks much drier and a little bit cooler. Temperatures will drop. You're in the 50s by Thursday, by Thanksgiving. You're watching WVTM 13 News.